For the past few weeks, at least one of you on every single video has been commenting on my hair. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do a dedicated video on thine hair because I've been enjoying it. And I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all what y'all want so y'all can stop asking me. I'm gonna still respond, but you know, y'all could just come to this video if you want to know all the details. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chi Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. This unit is from Iseehair.com. I bought it directly from their website. You can also buy from TikTok. I have purchased a few wigs from their TikTok shop. TikTok tends to be like a couple of dollars cheaper, but they did not have this unit in particular. So I've been in love with these M-cap wigs because they're just so easy to like deal with. Now, before I get into all the details, this is for Iseehair and Iseehair alone. Please, I'm begging you, do not steal any of my content. I had a bad experience with a brand that I actually did like, took my real review, chopped and screwed it, and ran ads using my image. Never gave me a credit, no nothing. And my followers were like, oh my God, I see your ad. And I'm like, what ad? So please do not take my content. If you want to work with me, my information is down in the description box. But please don't do it because I really do like your wigs and I would hate to have to go to another company to purchase wigs, okay? That's just my little disclaimer out to them. I don't want to hear no, oh, sorry, dear. I don't want to hear that, okay? Don't do it, okay? But this is the wig. This is their M-cap 9x6 Kinky Straight wig, 24 inches, 250% density. That is the key that you guys need to know. Let me run that back. This is their M-cap 9x6 wear and go wig, Kinky Straight, 24 inches, 250% density. I've always been a curly girl through and through, but this Kinky Straight wig has changed my mind. This isn't my first Kinky Straight wig, but this one is everything that I wanted it to be and more. Now, I decided to get 250% density, and honestly, I could have just went with 180 because this is a lot of hair, as you can see. A lot of hair. The thickness on this unit is there. And this is flat ironed. This is flat ironed. I just freshly washed it and flat ironed it yesterday. And you see how full it is? This is all of it to the front. It hits on my body really nicely. I'm gonna stand up. Like, I wish y'all could really see. I'll throw in some footage, but this hair, I'm sold, baby. I am sold. It does get straight, but not like bone straight. I'm not a professional either, so maybe I can do a little something extra, but it does leave a little bit of the kink in there, which is totally fine because to me that adds to the realness of this unit. Again, this is Glueless, and the only thing, hold on, I'm sliding backwards. The only things that I did to alter this wig, so I had my hairstylist cut in a few long layers, and yesterday, literally yesterday when I'm filming, I decided to tint the lace. And that's it. And I cut the lace, obviously. But that's it. I'm gonna get up a little close to you. Yeah, this is what she looking like. I didn't lay down my actual edges, but yeah, this wig is really nice. I love it. I freaking love it. That's the only alterations that I've done. Now, what I will say, the cons of this hair, for me, it does shed when I am, combing through it. Like right now, she wants to behave, and like when I'm running my fingers through, not so much. Oh, nope. You see that? Okay. I don't know if you're going to see it, but it's a nice little chunk. So I do get shedding with this hair. Most hair is gonna shed, but when I comb through this hair, at the end of the day, exactly, it's a lot of hair on the floor. And then as far as the nape goes, the nape has really been behaving. And I think it's been behaving because with straight hair, I comb it more often. You know, instead of curly hair, you kind of want to preserve the curls, so you're not really combing it as much. So I've been loving the fact that, you know, my nape, I haven't had to do one of those numbers. And I've worn this wig for the past month and a half. Like, this has been my ride or die, my go-to wig. I freaking love it. I love this wig. I'm not affiliated with Iseehair, but child, they really did it with this one. Like, I do have a big head, so the lace does come all the way temple to temple. The thing about it is my temples, she got temples, okay? So my hairline goes back, then forward, then back again. So I guess for me, it does look a little bit more believable, but I also have trouble laying this part of my lace because my actual hair is there. But another con that I do have with this hair is curls. I feel like it doesn't hold curls. Like, it holds it nicely for a little bit, and then them things be dropping like it's hot. So again, I am not a professional. Maybe I need to turn up the heat or use a nice, I do use a hairspray, but maybe a thicker holding hairspray. I don't feel like I said that right, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. But overall, this hair has been so good to me. I've gotten so many compliments on my hair. I went out with my the salon owner, and she was like, girl, that wig, that is the one in the two. And I was like, thank you, girl. Like, because I told her I don't like straight hair, and she's like, no, this one fits you. And I feel like this one fits me because of the density of the wig. I feel like the 180, it would have been a closer representation of my actual hair if I would have got the 180. But for my body and being plus size, I carry this hair a lot better. I just carry big hair better, okay? I'm a big hair kind of girl. So I really have been enjoying my hair. Flat iron it, cool. Throw in a couple of curls when it do be hitting, and I got that swoop going on with the layers. Ooh, ooh. She be living, okay? I be feeling so grown. I be feeling like you can't tell me nothing. Like, when I actually throw those curls in, I just be feeling like, okay, I gotta put on a face of makeup. I gotta get cute. Like, y'all know when your hair is looking good, you feel good, look good. You just want to do it all. So that's how I feel when I have this hair on. And even in its natural state, it does get very big. Not like Diana Ross big, but it gets poofy. Like, it rained a little bit last night, and my hair just got a little bit bigger. And I just hit it with the flat iron real quick, chase method, and I was good just for the top layer. And I was good. I was like, this. I haven't been in love with a wig that wasn't curly in a very long time. And you want to know something? I did actually purchase their bone straight wig. I guess it's the silky one. I got it in 22 inches, and that wig is so thin. 180% density. Don't even bother. That wig is just so freaking thin, unless you like that sort of thing. But baby, if you want maximum volume, like, look at all this hair. Look at all this hair. And it was layered. It was layered. So I feel like this one just suits me a whole lot better. And I am now a fan of Kinky Straight hair. And I used to have a Kinky Straight hair, but that's the same company that took my content. So I just stopped wearing, I stopped wearing the hair. But I don't sleep in this hair at all. I take it off every night. I do glue it down from time to time. Yesterday when I went out, I only glue it when I got somewhere to go and I need the slippage to not slip. But summer is coming up. I do sweat a lot and I am strongly considering not getting faux locks. That's how much I like this wig. I'm like, you know what? Sis might have to transition into some glue. Leave your recommendations just in case you do. But I have no complaints about this hair. I love this hair so much that I would get the 180. For what? I don't know. I don't know. But I would get like a 180, like 20 inch or whatever. But the wig that I really want to try from their line is their body wave. I haven't seen a video on that yet. I want to try their 9x6 body wave, 24, maybe even 26 inches, because I want it to be long. I've been loving this long hair. And I want it in 250% density because I just feel like that is the key. Like, and I honestly, low key, high key, I feel like this density is what the influencers be getting, but we're buying 180. I know they're probably gonna be like, oh no. Okay. But I am a customer. I purchased the 250 and this looks like 250. It feels like 250. The thing, she got some weight. I'm in absolute love with this one. Absolute love with this. But I will recommend, if you get this 250, please find someone you trust who's not scissor happy and who can throw some long layers into it, because I feel like that's what makes this hair like extra good. Like you see me just, you know, flip it and it just falls really nicely. Throw in some long layers and I'm telling you right now, you would love this wig too. It doesn't come like this, okay? It does not. But throwing in the layers, it helps. And surprisingly, the cap is big as hell. Like, no tea, no shade, but I got all it, like, all of this is off of my head. So it's not even snug to my head, the actual cap. So I don't know how y'all tiny head girls is gonna do, because I got a head, okay? Removable combs, the strap is be strapping, the lace is lacing. Like this, child, do y'all see this? I gotta get closer. Like you not gonna sit here and tell me like this ain't my hair. This side don't lay as well though, because you know that piece of lace right there. But get it, look at this. You see all that forehead of mine? Yeah, I hope to buy another wig from Iseehair. I think it's really good quality. So far, so good. You know, the shedding is probably the only like main negative, and then it really doesn't hold a curl for as long as I would like it to. But other than that, as long as you have layers cut into it and you curl your hair when you do one of these numbers, it should lay, because y'all have seen it in my videos. But yeah, that's all the details of it, honey. Check out some of my other videos and I'll catch you in the next one.